Umlawuli wombutho wezizwe ezimanyeneyo ojongene nemiba yabasetyhini uGqr Phumzile Mlambo-Ngcuka umemelele amadoda ukuba angasongi izandla athathe indima kwidabi lokuluxhatshazwa kwabasetyhini nabantwana. UGqr Mlambo-Ngcuka uthi le ngxaki ifuna ukunika ingqwalasela ngokukhawuleza. Ukuthetha okungethiwe senza intetho esisifundo ngobomi bukaGqr John Langalibalele Dube ebanjele eThekwini namhlanje.
Udokotela Mlambo-Ngcuka ubezothula inkulumo yokuhlonipha lo wayengumongameli wokuqala we-ANC owaphinde wasungula isikole samabanga aphezulu oHlange. La udokotela Mlambo-Ngcuka afunda waphinde wafundisa khona. Udokotela Mlambo-Ngcuka ukholwa ukuthi kuningi abantu abangakufunda kudokotela uDube ukuxazulula izinkinga ezibhekene nezwe. Okusemqoka kuye ukulwisana nodlame olubhekiswe kubantu besifazane. Uthi yize ibonakala imizamo yokulungisa lesihlava kodwa kuningi okusadinga ukwenziwa.
Since the Beijing Declaration in 1995, we have 131 countries that have changed their laws to advance gender equality, which is indeed progress, but we are far from eradicating all the bad laws, because in each country there are many discriminating laws that need to be eliminated.
Endabeni SABC, Bongayenda Mhlongo, eThekwini.